Good day, sir. I am Cadet Dave John Samila. Today, I'm gonna demonstrate the safety measures and safety precaution, calibration, and checking the multi-tester. Okay, this is my one. Okay, sir, this is my example. This is the symbol. You have ohms or resistor and alternative current voltage and direct current voltage, and I put in the times 10 in ohms or resistor, and this is what happened. And this is the, if I put in the times 10, usually 0. If I'm put in the, if I idikit ko to, magiging 0 din sa kabila. Yun. And this is the ohms or resistor and the direct current voltage. Isa lang tong kabaliktaran sa dalawang to. Ohms, resistor, and directly current voltage. And yun lang, sir. Thank you. Maraming salamat. God bless.